Hi, welcome back. In this lesson, we are going to study two new pair of words that is called PAIR, pair and PARE, pair. I'll show you how to avoid the confusion and use all these correctly without making mistakes. There will be an exercise at the last of the lesson. You have to solve the exercise. I'll tell you the answers later on. So let's start today's lesson. You can see there is a picture on the screen. You have to figure out the meanings of these words with the help of these pictures. Take a moment and you can easily figure out the meanings. I hope you have thought something about these words. Now let's check your guessing. PAIR, pair means double of a thing. I have bought a new pair of shoes for myself. That means shoes are always double because we have got two legs. So when we have to buy something which has got two or in double things, we always say a pair of socks, a pair of trousers, a pair of shoes. These are the phrases we use for these things. Now let's look few examples with PAIR, pair. Draw a pair of parallel lines. So here in this example he is saying draw two lines which are parallel or in front of together. He wore a pair of black trousers. Mother bought her a pair of tennis shoes. She bought a pair of woolen hose yesterday. He wears a pair of shorts. In all these examples, they are talking about two things or double thing for single commodity or single item. So pair is used for two things for single item, like a pair of shoes, a pair of shorts, a pair of trousers. These all items have got double options with them. Now let's study PARE, pair. That means trim or cut. So you might have heard teacher says that please pare your nails. That means to trim nails. Let's see few more examples of PARE, pair. It will be necessary to pare this budget down considerably. Here he is asking to cut off the budget or to reduce the budget. The student described a circle with a pair of compasses. That means he is described a circle with a pair of compass, or that is in the half. A firm has not been able to pare cost fast enough to match competitors. Here they are asking to reduce the cost or to cut off the cost. Pare off the rind from the orange using a sharp knife. Pare the mangoes and cut the flesh away from the stone. So all these examples talk about pair of something. That means to cut or to trim something. Now you have to solve this exercise. You have to select a correct word for the given sentences. You can stop the video and read the examples and put the correct words for each sentence. I'll wait for a moment for you. You can read the sentence and find out the correct answers. Now let's check the answer. I am going to buy a new pair of shoes. Johnny and Sally make a cute pair. Each summer he pared a large number of branches from the tree in the backyard. That means he cuts that. When making an apple pie, pare the skin off the apples first. Before I eat them, I will pare this pair of pears. Pears, that means P-E-A-R, as it's the name of the fruit, or P-A-I-R, which is in double, and P-A-R-E, that means to remove the skin. Thanks for watching this video, friends. I hope you have liked all the videos of commonly confused words. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest notifications of the videos, and kindly share this videos and channel with your friends and loved ones. If you have any doubt, you can write down on comment section. I'll speak to you there and I'll clear all your doubts. Happy learning. Bye bye.